Okay, so there is a new update on Gemini that would make the process of switching between models to be frictionless. Now, this is not a massive or big update. This is just a nice quality of life improvement that is now available on Gemini. So previously, on Gemini, if you want to select a different model on the platform, you can click this button and then you can select the variant or the model on Gemini. But now we can use a simple keyboard character like the add character to specify the model or variant that we want to use on Gemini. So it is not a big update, but I would imagine that this will make the process of switching models to be a lot faster, and this is very useful if you're not a big fan of using a mouse click to select the model. Let's say I'm going to use the thinking model. I'm going to type the add character on my keyboard and then type thinking and then hit the enter key. There you go. Now the thinking model is being selected. So I want to generate a picture of a cat. This is my prompt. Generate a picture of a cat in the cyberpunk era. There you go. That's my prompt. It's not very accurate, but that's fine. So basically, it is used in the thinking model. I'm going to send a message. Now, in this particular scenario, if you're using the thinking or the pro variation, Gemini will use the Nano Banana Pro model to generate a picture. But let's say if I want to use a faster model, which is the regular Nano Banana, I can switch to the fast model. So let's say I want to generate another picture. I'm going to type the add character again, and then fast, hit enter, and then I can say something like generate a picture of a dog in the medieval era. There you go. So it is now using the fast model. It is going to be a lot faster when generating the picture. Now that's basically how it works, but I do notice that there could be some problem depending on how you use this feature. So one example is this one. So I try to generate a picture of a cat and I select the model to be thinking, but apparently if you put the model selector or the name of the model at the end of your prompt, in this case it is actually putting that particular name or that particular keyword in the picture, which is not something that I'm expecting to happen. And this is even true when I'm using the fast model. So basically just make sure to use the model selector at the beginning of the prompt, not at the end. Now, this is not a big issue. I think it is not something that we have to worry about, but it is just nice to know that if you want to get a result that is cleaner, just make sure to put the model name at the beginning of your message or your prompt. So yeah, that's basically a new update in Gemini that lets us switch models quickly by just using the keyboard character instead of using the typical menu or mouse click to select the model. Again, not a big update, but it is always nice that we have tiny improvement on this platform. So yeah, that's basically it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.